I hope you are all well. So I usually don't make any referencing video ever again. So my one of my friend request me to make a video of APA referencing. So today I will show you how to referencing in APA format. APA manual format. Sorry. So let's start the video. So let's start. So for some book referencing, you have to give first name first, last name, then the author's last name, and then comma, then first name of the author, and then give a dash, and then give year of publication, and then full stop. After that book name, you have to give book name, and book name the first letters will be uh, capital, except the prepositions and conjunctions will be in small letter. Let's say preposition in, conjunction uh, through, this type of conjunctions you have to give capital, small letter. You have to use small letter in conjunction, and preposition are and capital for other words. Let's say fishing community, but preposition and conjunctions will be in small letter, and it will be, the whole book name will be italicized. So, and the place of the publication, then colon and publisher's name. So I will show you how to write it. So for book referencing, I am showing you. So for book referencing, first you have to give authors or writers, whatever you say, last name. So let's say I am giving example. Is author or writer, I don't know, I am just giving you an example. Let's say the author's name is Asif Ali. So the Asif Ali author's last name is Ali. So give Ali first, then comma, then Asif, and then dash, then dash, and now the publication year. Let's say 2019, then full stop, then uh, the book's name. So book's name, let's say, what will I say? Let's say the mental health problem. in the world. So this will, you can see that I have used the article capital letter and then capital all the words of the first uh, alphabet of the word is capital. Only preposition is small letter I used. So you in this way you have to uh, name the book and then select the book name, uh, select the book name and then italicized. You can bold or not, you can use, don't use bold. I am removing the bold, so don't use bold. This will be the book name will be in italicized format. So now the publication place, so let's say the publication place will be the UK, then colon, and let's say the publisher will be, let's say, the Nova Publishers. So in this way you can referencing the book in APA manual. Yes. Let's say you have let's say you have two authors name there, so you have to use two authors name, then you have to use this way. Let's say Asif Ali, let's say Ali Asif, and Ali Asif, the first author's name, and then write and let's say Ali Azhar. I'm all giving you the examples. This is not the real author's name. Uh, Azhar, let's say Azhar, and then dash and then year, publication year 2019, uh, and the book name will be the same. I'm copying the same book name and then give Italy format, italicized, then italicized format. Use italicized format in book name. While writing book name you have to use italicized format always. And then the publication place, let's say New York, colon and dash, then the publisher name will be, let's say um, let's say Nova Publishers. I'm using the same name, sorry for that. And if there are many authors, let's say 5 authors, you have to use in this way. I'm showing you that also. Let's say Ali Asif, Ali Asif, then 80, and then AL. So uh, this is the way to uh, mention the, if there are many authors of the same book. Let's say this book has 5 authors, so you have to use the main author's name Ali Asif, then 80 and all, and AL means all. In this way you can give the all authors name in this format. Then dash 2019, I am using the same book name, then full stop, and book name will be italicized format, always in italicized format. And then let's say USA, the publishing place, and the publisher will be Chapel Close. Chapel Close publishers. So this is the way to mention all authors name. Let's say here in this book there are 5 authors. 2 authors, and this is the only single one authors for this book. So this is the format of mentioning multiple authors name. This is the format of giving 2 authors name, and this is the format to mention the only single author's name. So in this way you can reference the book in APA format. Now I will show you how to referencing journal articles in APA manual format. So sample journal article referencing. So same, you have to give last name, first name, and year of last name, the first name, and the year of publication, and paper title. It will be not italicized but within inverted comma, and the let's say book name, and capitalized uh, capitalized it will be capitalized, and except the preposition and conjunction will be in small letter, and book name will be same in italicized format, and the editor name, and the volume number, and last the place of publication and the publisher's name. So for journal article I will show you. So let's say I am using for the journal article referencing APA manual. So for this I will use the same author name, the last name of author. Let's say Ahmed. The author's name is Ali Ahmed. So his author's last name is Ali, then comma, then uh, here you have to also give this comma also before giving the first name. So this is the last name, then comma, and then Ali, the first name of the author, then publication year 2020, full stop, then give a space, and then use the, let's say I am using the paper title name this type, mental health in, you have to give inverted comma, double inverted comma, and then the paper title name, let's say in the world. In the world. So this is the paper title name. This is the paper title name, and then last you have to give inverted comma close, and then full stop. After that you have to give the book name. This will be the book name. I am copying. So sorry for that. The book name will be the, let's say the journal of, this will be the book name, and here you can see the preposition is in small letter and all the other words are in first alphabet is in capital letter. So in this way you can give book name after the paper title name, and book name will be in italicized format, and then full stop, and give the publisher place, let's say New York, and then give publisher name as a Nova Publishers. So in this way you can give the journal article referencing. This is the author's name, then publication year, then full stop, then the paper title, it will be in inverted double inverted comma, and then this is the journal of studies is the book name, and it will be in italicized format, and then after that you have to give the publisher place and then the publisher's name, and if there are two authors, you have to uh, give you have to use this format while giving the author's name. If there are two authors, you have to use this. I'm copying it. This is the way of giving two authors name, and then full stop. So this is the paper title. Paper title will be in double inverted comma. Then after the paper title, you have to give the book name, and the book name is the Journal of Studies. This will be the book name, and it will be in italicized format. And then publication place, and after that the publication uh, year. Sorry, uh, publication name. And if you have many authors, let's say 5 authors, you have to use this format. In giving author's name and this, then I am copying it. Then after that you have to give the paper title in which will be in double inverted comma, and then book name. After that you have to give the publication place, and then the publication name, publisher name. This is the publication place, and this is the publication name. And now I will show you how to reference the newspaper columns. So for newspaper columns, you have to use that newspaper column in a manual format. So you have to give the author's name, the Ahmed Ali, So Ali Ahmed. So Ahmed is the last name and Ali is the first name. After that you have to uh, give yes, you have to give the full stop, and then 2012. Then the topic name, the topic name is the rural economy of COVID-19. If it is in your language, let's say you have your country language is Spanish, so you have to mention that in the bracket. In Spanish. After that, the newspaper name, let's say the Daily Star. This is the newspaper. The Daily Star is the newspaper name, and the rural economy under COVID-19 is the uh, headings of the newspaper. What the heading of the newspaper you get that, you have to give that heading, and after the newspaper columns heading you have to give the newspaper name, the daily daily star or ittifaq or pratham alo, whatever you want to use. After that you have to give the access date. Access date means when you have opened uh, the newspaper column. When you have access, you have to mention the date. So let's say today's date is 18 September 18 September 2000, 2020. So you have to give the access date. So first you have to give the author's name, last name Rahman, and then A is the first name, then publication year, then the all headings of the newspaper, and the language which is used in giving headings. You have to mention it in bracket. If you have, if the heading in Spanish, you have to give Spanish, then full stop, then after that the newspaper name, and then give this also. You have to mention this also. After the newspaper name, and then accessed on which date, you have to also mention in referencing the newspaper column. And after that you have to give the link of the newspaper. I am copying it. So this is the link of the newspaper column, and after that now I will show you how to give video referencing. For video referencing, you just have to give the topic name. Let's say the topic, the video is rural economy under COVID-19. Just the topic of the video. If you want to give video referencing, you have to use topic name, and after that you have to give the link video, sorry, after that you have to give the video link. So in this way you can uh, mm, reference in uh, APA manual format the videos. And so I have shown all the referencing. This is the book referencing, this is the journal article referencing, and this is the newspaper referencing, and this is the video referencing, and I am giving you the sample also. Let's say I will copy it. Sorry. So this is the sample. If you face any problem you can use this sample also. If you face any problem, so in this way you can you give book referencing, journal article referencing, and newspaper column referencing, and also the video referencing in APA manual format. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye everyone.